Today, we're going to show you how you can easily resize cells in Microsoft Excel. Resizing cells in Excel can be of two types. You can resize the row height and the column width. So we are going to show you a few different ways how you can actually do this. Let's open an Excel file that has some data in it. As we can see, there are some data in this Excel file. These A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called headers. If I drag by holding the corner of the column, I can resize this. Similarly, I can resize the row height as well. This is an arbitrary process of resizing your cells. This is very common and most people actually does use these for resizing cells. But there are other options that we are going to have a look at. Let's assume I want to resize more than one cells at the same time in the same ratio. Let me select these two columns A and B and then holding my cursor in the corner of the last column while clicking the left mouse button, let's drag to the right. As you can see, both the columns are getting resized in the same ratio at the same time. In the same process, you can also reduce the cell height or width. Let's discover another way of resizing cells. For this, let's select these three columns at the same time. Then keeping my mouse cursor on the corner of the last column, I can double click. As you can see, all the three columns have been resized to hold the largest data in the cells of the columns and has been resized accordingly to reduce the unnecessary space taken by the columns. The same thing can be done in case of the rows as well. Just selecting the rows and double-clicking, keeping the cursor over any of the cell corners will do the job for you. Now let's discover the third way of resizing cells in Excel. Let's assume you need specific row heights and column widths for your data in Excel. For doing this, we will select the rows or the columns that we need to resize. Then we'll go to the Home tab. From the Home tab, we will go to Format drop-down options. From here, we can get the option for setting the row height and the option for setting column width. Normally, the values are shown in some kind of unit depending on the document type you're using. So if you change your document to a specific size like A4 or letter, then you can actually resize the cells in inches or centimeters. For the three rows selected, as we can see, the value of row height is set to 15 now. Let's change it to 20. As you can see, the row height has been changed to the specific value of 20. Similarly, we can resize the column width as well. The column width is currently set to 23.86. Let's change it to 30. In this process, you can have the control of resizing the column widths and row heights specifically. This option comes handy when you are working with documents of specific sizes. Let's consider you're working with A4 size document and you have certain number of rows and columns that you need to hold in that page and fill the whole page. Then you can resize the column widths and row heights according to your needs, in which case your document will look much better when printed or shared with the corresponding audience. Hope these three ways of resizing cells in Microsoft Excel helps you. See you in the next video.